Ahoy, this is Zdenka. In today's video we will be talking about light, how you can make your videos instantly look so much better. I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks, what I am doing, how I lit myself, how I lit the products, what you can do, how you can be more creative with lights to get different looks all the time. At the same time, we will be reviewing brand new product which is right behind me. What is it? It is Pocketlite F7 RGB LED video light with magnet absorbing function and with multiple lights and effects. Let's review this product and let's reveal some of my light secrets. Those who don't know me, my name is Zdenka Darula. I make photo and video tutorials like this one, tech reviews like this one, and creative camera challenges like the future ones. So if that's something you're interested in, you might consider hitting the subscribe button. First of all, let's look at the product I have right here. The packaging promises quality. Let's open it up and see what's inside. F7 light, which comes with very nice protective pouch, manual, sticker, bracket, cold shoe, USB charging cable. I'm absolutely loving the fact that it comes with USB charging cable, so you don't have to actually buy extra batteries for it. That's a bonus. The light also comes with honeycomb grit and diffuser. The weight is 300 grams. It consists of 54 pieces of white LEDs, 44 pieces of yellow LEDs, and 96 pieces of RGB LEDs. It has 7.4 volt battery with 3000 mAh, with 1-inch OLED display, Type-C standard USB charging interface, supporting QC 3.0 fast charging. The brightest lasting time is about 2 hours. The adjustable range of color temperature is between 2500 to 9000 K. To turn it on, press the power button for 1.5 seconds. The little display here will show you color temperature and intensity. To turn the brightness up and down, you simply turn this up and down knob. To adjust temperature, turn this knob. If you press the power button again, this will turn into second menu page where you can adjust colors. Again, to adjust color or brightness, you will turn the up and down knob. If you just hold longer, you will change the color completely. Press the on and off button 2 times to enter third page special effects adjustment. And here you will enter very wide selection of effects. You can switch between them by turning the up and down knob. So let's quickly run through what we have here. Police car, ambulance, fire truck, lightning 1, lightning 2, HSI demo slow, HSI demo fast, screen, candle, paparazzi, strobe, high and low beam bulb, double flash, red flash, green flash, blue flash, party 1 and party 2. Because of the very strong magnet model, it can be attached to any metal surface, so it is very versatile. And here I am going to pause for a second and talk about my lighting setup here, the way I like to lit my videos. So, first of all, I have softbox, which is lighting me. I don't have it turned on all the way, probably about halfway, a little bit softer. I don't like to put my light right facing me because then I get that flat look. But if I move that softbox a little bit to the side like this, so 45 degrees, that's exactly where my hand is, that's where my light is, I'm creating very soft lit area right here, and this part is in shade. And as you can tell, I am using the brand new light behind me to lit this whole background, this room. This room is normally beige, kind of white, nothing very special, just very plain. But by adding the color in the background, it will make it pop very interesting. And I have it set to the HSI demo slow, so it's changing the colors very slowly. Now, when you're using the special effects, such as the police car and all that, and these color changing lights. You cannot increase the brightness up and down. It is on one setting only. So what I am doing to balancing it, because I want the background really nicely visible, I want the colors to actually really pop, and it's a strong light. I dimmed the softbox halfway to make sure I'm not overpowering, to make sure I'm fitting nicely in a scene. And my ISO right now is about 200. The f-stop is 3.5. And shutter speed obviously is 1/50th of a second for those interested who want to know my settings. You can totally get creative here as much as you want. You can lit up the background like this. You can lit up the background for your products. You can also lit the product with different color from the side, from behind. You can make the background change colors like right now. Or let me show you one more thing. What happens if I put this light on a stand, the f7 light on a stand, and turn it around? As you can see now, it's creating this sort of hair light with different colors. It changed the whole look of the studio again. Let's stop talking about the backlight and let's talk about the front main light for a little bit. The f7 RGB LED light comes with two excellent accessories, and one is diffuser and the other one is honeycomb grid. Now, those two items are made of plastic, so you need to keep it in mind when you're putting it on the light and taking it off. I would be gentle, especially with these parts here. I would not force it. Now I have the light in my hands because I'm not going to talk about the background light anymore. I'll talk about the main light. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to attach it, and this is included with the light, to my camera to show you how the light looks like when it is front facing. Now the light is sitting on my camera and you can see how harsh it is. I actually turn it all the way up to see how strong it is. My settings are ISO 250, f3.5, and shutter speed is 1/50th of a second. It's Canon M50 with 15 to 45 millimeters kit lens, and there is no diffuser. So this is the harsh bright light you get. Let me change it. Now I have diffuser on the light. The light is still on the camera, dead on facing me, so it is a little bit diffused, it is a little bit softer light. The settings on my camera are right now ISO 400, aperture is f3.5, and the shutter speed obviously 1/50th of a second. Now let me take that light off the camera because it's really in my eyes, move it onto the stand, move it a little bit on a 45-degree angle, and let's see what the light will look like now. Now you get that light on a stand right there. This is where it is sitting, and there is no diffuser. This is the harsh light. Now my ISO is 400. The rest of the settings are the same. So let me add diffuser. And the diffuser is on purpose. I left the same ISO 400, for you to see the difference, how the light got softer. Now, last thing I want to do today is actually change the background for the black background. And let me show you how you can use the honeycomb grid. Let's play a little bit with the diffuser and the honeycomb grid. So the black background is here. First lighting setup is just the light on the stand. There is no diffuser or the honeycomb grid, anything like that. It's all the way up, and the ISO is right now 320 with the aperture f3.5. Let me put the diffuser on. Diffuser is on right now, so the light is a little bit softer, and the ISO is 400 right now. Let me change it for the very last time. Let's put the honeycomb grid on. Well, and right now I have the honeycomb grid on. What it does, it's not spreading the light around. It is very directional, so it creates this very moody, very dark lighting. So you can do maybe talking on the camera like this, or you can turn in different directions talking off the camera, and you can actually see how it's lighting me up. So let me turn a little bit in all kinds of directions for you. So you found out what it does. Now I'm gonna move the grid light a little bit more to the side, right about here, so it's right now to the side. So I can do these very dramatic shots as I'm talking to the camera, but I have the lighting from the front, but you see the profile. It is very small, but very powerful light, packed with amazing features and different options to completely unleash your creativity. For those interested to see how much it costs, I linked the product in the video description below. Those are international links, so you can see it in your currency. Feel free to check it out. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and have a little party here. Hit the thumbs up button if you like today's video. Subscribe to all future videos like these. If you have any questions or comments or would like to know more about the video lighting setup, or just want to say hello and I'll say hi back, you can do so in a comment section below. As always, I read it all and I will try to respond to all. And I'll see you, all of my friends, in the next video. Ciao, ahoj. I am back. No, I just wanted to do a little conclusion here. I've been using this light for 2 hours now, and I didn't have it all the way up because I was using the colors. So right now when I check, the battery is actually still halfway full, which is pretty good. Also, I wanted to see how warm it gets. It's definitely not hot, it's just warm to the touch, so it's not gonna burn anybody, it's not gonna burn you. Just for those who were wondering. See you next time.